Hey gang, Bluefin here. 9:30 p.m. January 25th. I'm in Pippy Park going for a snowshoe hike. Have a little fire and a muggo. Come along, we'll have fun. That's my new Triangia kettle, 0.6 litres, perfect for a cup of tea. What a beautiful night. GSI cup. Wow, that was a quick boil. What an awesome night. Right in the city in Pippy Park. Been here before. I did take my wood in with me. It is like a public park right in the centre of the city. So I just filled up my stove before I left the house. My Ikea hobo stove I made a couple of years ago. Just brought a pie plate in so it doesn't sink through the snow. So this is my Luci Light. I got a solar light hung up in a tree, January 25th, -2 Celsius. And that's the light it gives off. That hasn't been charged in 6 months. What an awesome light. This was a perfect way to spend an evening. It's probably about 11 o'clock now, but awesome cup of tea in the woods, little fire. Stove's just cooling off. Just a few little embers. I'll cover that over with snow. Pack up my gear, take down my light, and call it a night. Thank you, Spot. Thanks for watching. Take care.